Today I'm going to show you how to make classic American buttermilk biscuits. I'm going to add in all of my butter, and then I'll take my 2 cups of all-purpose flour and I'll just put those in there. Put my 4th teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then I'm going to just take my pastry blender and we're going to just come in here and we're going to fold that in or cut it in with that butter. And I'm just going to create a little well here in the middle and then pour in ice cold buttermilk, 3/4 cup. So we're just going to mix this buttermilk in and just use a nice sturdy spatula. With clean hands, we can come in here and just kind of knead it and get this dough to stick together. And we're going to push it down, just shape it with my hands into a rectangle, and then I'm going to fold it into thirds like that, and then I'm going to turn it, and then I'm going to push it down again. And this just helps create flaky layers. It's not a necessary step, but I recommend doing it if you want the biscuits to turn out a little bit flakier. So again, we're just going to be using the palm of our hands. We're just going to press it and shape it, and we'll do this 2 more times. Fold it into thirds, turn it, and then press it down. Get our rolling pin, put some flour on it, and we'll roll this out. Press it straight down, pull it straight up, and then I'm going to put it in my seasoned cast iron skillet. Usually you can get 8 to 10 of these biscuits with this recipe. I have some buttermilk here. I'm just going to take my basting brush and we'll baste the tops. And now into the oven it goes, 425 Fahrenheit or 218 Celsius, and we will bake it for 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on the top. And I'm just going to baste the tops of these with some butter. Yeah. And if you take one of these and look, you can see like a little bit of layers in there. Oh yeah, I'm going to take this one and just open it up a little bit. Look at that.